not just looking at the stock price, not just looking at the insider trading, and really take a look at the product itself and think about the political landscape starting from 16th of October, what the new emperor is going to do, and then with that point onwards, how they must showcase the best Chinese autos to compete with the semiconductor chip companies in the US. That is no turning back. That is for sure. They have to showcase the best autos. All right. The only exception to all this is Tesla. That's the only exception. Tesla is allowed to sell his car in China, and of course, recently, as of today, Elon Musk just made certain comments about Taiwan, that perhaps Taiwan or Taipei should become like an autonomous zone, just like the way Hong Kong was handed over back to China, and everything seems fine, right? So